Now this is what my fake cowhide rug looks like on the floor here. I couldn't believe this was fake when I got it. Let me see if I can get a close-up here. It feels, well, I guess it feels a bit synthetic to the touch here. When you turn it around though, I mean, you have to look twice to make sure that it's not actually real cowhide. It kind of dirties up in the same way that leather does as well. And what I really like about this is that it's bigger than the usual sheepskin rugs that you get. And I actually do have a sheepskin rug. I use that as well. But this one is a fakie, and it's dirty. I need to wash it. But the good thing about this is that it's really easy to wash. And I guess it's probably smaller than a real cowhide. It doesn't have the same amount of imperfections, but and you could throw it on your bed, on your sofa, on your chair. But I think mine looks really good on the floor here because I have darker floors. So yeah, I recommend this product. Pretty nice.